Hi, it's Amy from Pretty Little Claws. Today we're going to do one of my most requested types of nail in the salon, and that is something to do with eyes. So the first colour we're going to use is Serious Black, and we're going to paint one of our nails fully. And then pop it in for 30 seconds. So whilst our first nail is curing, we're going to go in again with Serious Black on the second one, but we're not going to go all the way. I'm just going to make a little pattern on the bottom and go down to that, like so, and pop that in to cure for 30 seconds. So on the third nail, we're going to use a mixture of Pisces, Summer Sky and Little Lilac, and we'll just paint that on. And then with the other two colours, just streak it through, taking care to wipe any of the original colour off before popping it back in the bottle. And then when we're happy with that, pop that in the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So when this one comes out, we'll do the same with the bottom half. We'll go in with Pisces and just paint that up, wanting to give it the same kind of look as that third nail. Happy with that, pop that in the lamp for 30 seconds. When that comes out, wipe that down with gel residue wipe off solution and a lint-free wipe along with the black. So on this black one, on my form, I've prepared the three colours we've just used: Little Lilac, Summer Sky, Pisces, Cyanide, Shamrock, Eros, Snow White and Serious Black. First we'll go in with Snow White, and we'll just do some random dots with a dotting tool, and then go in with our 001 brush to drag them about to make them look a bit more like stars. I'm really happy with that, pop that in the lamp. So that third nail we'll clean off with some gel residue wipe off solution and a lint free pad, because we're going to go in with some cyanide. And pop that in the lamp. I need some Snow White, and we're going to create an eye shape. And you're happy with the shape of that, pop that back in the lamp. And when this one comes back out, same as we did with the first one, we'll make some little stars. And then pop that one in the lamp, and this one comes back out, and we'll load up with Eros to do our pupil, because I feel aliens would have pink eyes. And then pop that in the lamp. When that one comes back out, I'm going to load up Serious Black, and we are going to outline the shape of our eye. Give him a pupil and then some lashes. And then pop that back in the lamp and cure. So while we're waiting for that to cure, I'm going to add some more definition on this one. Same colours that we used before, just add some depth in there. And then pop that in the lamp to cure finally. So whilst we're waiting for that final one, I'm going to use the gel top coat and top coat these two. And pop them all in the lamp for 60 seconds. So there you have it, a Salon space look with a cute little eye. All the products that we've used today will be listed in the description box below, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye.